Welcome back to WizzKidzT.V. Today we're going to learn our alphabet. Are you ready to learn the alphabet with me? Great, let's begin. The first letter of the alphabet is A. A for ant. A for ant. The second letter of the alphabet is B. B for balloon. B for balloon. C. C. Car. C for car. C. D. D for dog. D for dog. D. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. E. F. F for fish. F for fish. F. G. G for gate. G for gate. G. H. H for horse. H for horse. H. I. I for ink. I for ink. I. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. J. K. K for key. K for key. K. L. L for lion. L for lion. L. M. M for moon. M for moon. M. N. N for nest. N for nest. N. O. O for octopus. O for octopus. O. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. P. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Q. R. R for rocket. R for rocket. R. S. S for sock. S for sock. S. T. T for turtle. T for turtle. T. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U. V. V for violin. V for violin. V. W. W for watch. W for watch. W. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. X. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Y. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z. That's the last letter of the alphabet. Thank you so much for saying all the alphabet with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!